Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove background from an image, how to change any background from any image in Photoshop. To get good images I use Pinterest. It's not that Pinterest is paying me, but I just like using Pinterest. So this is the image. Let me get any image. Okay, let me take that and then let me look for any background. I'm gonna make sure. Okay, let me go this one. Okay, after downloading my images, the one I'm going to use, let me create a new one. You can create or open. Let me use the photo. Okay, create. Okay, let me drop my image. So this is the image. Okay, so after dropping my image, you just come here to selection tools, then select subject up here on the menu. You select the subject. After selecting your subject, if everything is not selected well, make sure everything is selected well. Okay, then hold the Ctrl Shift plus I to select the background, and then you delete on the background. It is failing because the image is not a smart object, so convert the image to smart object and then you delete again. Oh, it is not working. Okay, let me use the rubber tool, then delete. You can see the image has no background. Deselect, Ctrl D to deselect, and then let me import my image for the background. This is the background. Then you rotate it. Let me rotate it. Scale it properly. So after that you come to the layer section and then move the background layer underneath the image layer. So that's how you can change the background of the image, simple like that. I think you see how beautiful she is. Oh wow. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Love you. Ciao ciao.